guys, this is Knox coming in for Lock Fumbler 100. So congratulations, Lock Fumbler. 100's an awesome milestone. There's also been a lot of giveaways to enter for this weekend. Let's see. I had it. What's that right here? Where'd it go? Okay. For anybody that hasn't been up on their game or paying attention this weekend, you got the Kicks Picks 100. You got the Mylock 100. You have the Free Diver 72. I'll give away 100. This one I'm entering, obviously, the Lock Fumbler 100. To win my Zarka, never mind. That's Chris Capone did that yesterday. That was no longer live. But yeah, that's just this weekend. So that's a good 4 going on. And I'm about to announce the Knox Locks second giveaway. But for now, this is about what we could teach somebody else for lock sport. So for me, I'd say one of the most important things is have a comfort lock. And for me, it's the revolver. Because there's going to be a lot of times you're going to get frustrated. There's going to be times you don't pick for a couple days, weeks, whatever, and you're rusty. So you might try to go back to where you were, maybe in my case, trying to work on one of the pack locks or something. And, I don't pick for 2 weeks. When I come back to it, jumping back into a pack lock might be hard. So going back, to my revolver here and just taking my time and having fun, that's really what it's all about, right? Having fun. And that's another thing. When I'm watching whatever, YouTube or Hulu or whatever, I'm picking constantly. So whether it's the revolver, whether it's another comfort lock I have is the Skillman. The Skillman here came from Lock Sport Viking. I won this from him, and that's, as he said, it takes no skill at all, man. But it's a nice little comfort lock. It really is. It's a nice, easy open, almost on, command, demand, whatever. And then the same almost for this quick set. There's a doorknob here. Real weak bitting on it, real average. Nothing hard or crazy, real easy. And, wide open, kind of hard to see here, but wide open keyway. And those are just comfort locks, but the real one is the revolver. And that's one thing. Alright, you're talking to Knox here, so your question was you wanted one thing of advice. Well, I'm giving you 3. So, part of, I guess, the practice that I have with picking the revolver, and just, I guess, in lock sport in general, is, and this is Lock Noobs that I adopted. Okay, this isn't my original. Okay, this is something that Lock Noob said that rang true, and I like it. Never pick the same lock twice using the same exact tools. And that's all he said about that. But the way I took it was, for example, alright, if I'm rocking this revolver here, and I got this multi-pick tension wrench, right? And I'm going to rake. I'm just going to warm up, whatever, got a Bogota. And really, this is a poor choice for this one. Okay. Anyways, it's not really about raking this. The point is, alright, after I'd get, either one open, or because it is the revolver, I'd technically kind of go one whole revolution. So by the time I got all the way around, rather than, because I like to stay with the revolver, however I'd have it rigged, I'd switch out either the pick or the tension. So in this case, the tension tool. Get out of here. Wrong tool for this job right now. And, oh, that's another, okay. So, right here next to my big tray, I have this little tray where it's basically consists of the last 10, 20 tools that never made its way back to their proper pouches or places or whatever. So there's things I grab constantly and I just don't have a proper thing for them. So I have all types of tensioners and picks right here. So I would grab a different tensioner. So even though I'm keeping the same lock, I'm going to say with the same Bogota, I have a different tensioner. So I'm sticking with I'm at least changing one out of the three things, okay? So either the lock, the tension tool, or the pick itself. So, I mean, for me, that's real good beginner advice on multiple levels as far as a good habit that'll get you better. I mean, obviously, I'm using a Bogota here just for raking, and I mean, if you single pin pick and you do whatever, it's just swapping out different picks every rotation, and it doesn't have to even be okay. You made one revolution for here, you're swap. It's time to get done with that one. Then, be done with the lock. Try the Skillman, and you know what? Might also be time to be done with the Bogota. So I mean, there's different. No, that's not a good tension one for that one. Slide right on through. Let's see, this homemade one works for it. That's what I might do later today. Is make one of the Chris Capone universal tension turners. Oh, that's another thing too. I made this monkey's paw. Like I made the monkey's paw, but I made it down to. Wow, this is horrible for showing it, but I shaved it down to 19 thousandths, and I gave it the Euro profile. I'm gonna make a video on it actually. I have another monkey's paw to compare it to, so this way you can see how much of the shaft I actually shaved down. So, if that's what you're doing and you're alternating out a different tool each time you're going through, I mean, there's a difference between learning to pick a lock and learning that. Okay, like if you pick a sledge over and over, the same exact, in this case, revolver, doesn't necessarily mean you know how to pick sledge like that. It means you know how to pick that revolver like that. So you can get, someone else can hand you a different sledge and it can, with different bidding and different whatever. Okay, there we go. Open. And that different bidding can, totally mess you up because you've only been picking that same lock repetitively. So you literally have muscle memory and you're used to just picking that one. So just by switching picks, switching tension tools, and switching up locks every rotation, it's going to keep you sharp. Have a comfort lock for when things get hard or you take a break or you just want to blow off steam and have fun for those easy openers. Like that's really what it's about, man. That's having the fun. Yeah, that's about to wrap this one up. Lock Fumbler, congratulations on hitting 100. Let's see. Yeah, later today I'm gonna put out the thing for the Knox Locks Part 2 out of the 13, I guess, and then incorporated in that I also have a mail call video. So it's Mr. Lockpicker. Zendum sent me a couple of locks. We traded. Wow, I got an eBay story for you. So I got some things that happened today, but I wanted to just put this out there first. One video at a time. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys, and don't forget to enter this week's giveaway for Knox. Thanks. All right, and remember, anything is possible when everything is unlockable. All right, guys. Catch you later.